guys, Jama Gaming, and today we are gonna be doing an unboxing. This is why I uploaded that other thing that I called test. Yes, I will be deleting that. Yes, so for now I'm taking the help of my father here. So we're just opening the package. Keep in mind that I'm not actually showing how it looks when it starts up. I will be showing that now, like after I open it up, because I have to set it up and all, so that's why. So yes, it's an iPad Pro, the newest version. Yay! So the box looks pretty sleek actually, made by Apple, of course. I am recording this with my mom's phone, which has wide zoom, so that's why it kinda works. And it's one of those slider boxes. I hate them. They're so hard to open. And yeah. So just the big reveal. Ooh, is that the iPad right there? It's pretty big. Judging by the size of it, because my other iPad is pretty small compared to this. And this is very big. So, here it is. Yay. So here's how it looks. So this is pretty much like my normal iPad. I don't know how it looks when I screen record because this is the first time I've tried. And if I go into Streamlabs, here it is. I have hit the camera, so that's why it's all black. Now I have already signed into all this. So for example, if I go into iMovie and show you the project I'm still editing, well, not editing really, I suck at editing, lol. So it's 86%. The cool thing, it can switch to night mode and dark mode just like that. It also has a flashlight which you can't see. Night mode, do not disturb, whatever. There's QR, find a code to scan. Oh, it has a flashlight when you can scan the code. That's cool. So when I open the camera, I have portrait mode. Oops. Square. So I have 0.5x zoom and the max zoom is 5x. Still pretty sharp though. Not gonna lie, for 5x that's pretty sharp. And 1x of course. I wonder how much FPS this is though. And of course, again 0.5x and 5x, same thing. Then video, 0.5x in video as well, amazing. Slow-mo, oof, that hurts my eyes. Time lapse, cool. So let's go Streamlabs. It has a lot of space as well. If I go into iPad storage, 512 GB. That's absolutely massive. My other iPad is like 32 GB. That's why I wouldn't upload long clips. I am gonna do a little bit of something really weird. Screen recordings. Yeah, so all the stuff from my other iPad came in here when I connected it, so that's all good. You can download loads of apps, and in this there's Apple Store which does not work in my country, lol. My father's also downloaded some apps. Let me just put them together. Done. Lol. Amazing. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment which game I should play next. And oh, it has 3 cameras, 4 cameras in the back. And bye.